Now, bruh, if you trying to get hair like his, bro, like I just said, bro, all you gotta do is grow out your hair for a year. I've been telling y'all this the whole time. If you've been on my channel for a while, then you know this already, you know what I'm saying? So just grow out your hair. It's basically what I'm doing. Just grow out your hair, right? And then turn on post notifications to get notified for all my videos. I have a skit coming out for y'all tonight. What's good, Up Next family? This your boy Up Next. Now coming back with another video. Hey man, say man, look, hey, I'm coming with the sponge video. Just give me a little time. You hear me? Today I'm about to teach y'all how to get y'all hair like Playboi Carti and like the method on what Playboi Carti. Show you a picture right here. And yeah, bro, I'm just about to teach y'all like what he did and stuff like that. If you're looking at my hair like, wow, now your hair like longer like right here, and that's because it's in the 2-strand twist, like just for right here. Honestly, it's in the 2-strand twist for right here too. It's right here to like right here, you understand? So this little part is in the 2-strand twist. My girl was just playing in my hair and stuff like that, and I'm just gonna leave it in there for like a couple days. But in a couple more days, I'm gonna come back with the 2-strand twist video just for y'all and stuff like that, just on how to teach it. You see how like these are like down here, and the 2-strand twist are like down here, you understand? Because it's kind of retwisted and kind of twisted together. Like, I'm gonna come with a whole video on teaching y'all how to 2-strand twist this and that and the third, and basically showing y'all and my girlfriend just 2-strand twisting my hair. First I'm gonna wash it, and then she gonna 2-strand twist it. But yeah, that's the reason why this, like you see, you know what I'm saying, this side longer than, but yeah, bro, basically all Playboi Carti, I'm gonna try to keep this video simple and short as possible. Basically all Playboi Carti did was he started out, I'm gonna put the picture up there again, but he started out, you know what I'm saying, with his dreads being maintained, and then all he doing is what I'm doing, bro. You know what I'm saying? He started out with his dreads being maintained, and then after for like a while he started like the freeform stage, like probably like right now where I'm at, you know what I'm saying, like the 1-year mark. He just started to let his dreads freeform, and you could tell because he got an afro at the bottom, and then he just got his little dreads, you understand? So right now what he's doing is he's just letting his dread freeform, you know? And honestly, his hairstyle like right now is in the 2-strand twist, and it's also dyed. I'm gonna put the picture up right there, but his hair is in the 2-strand twist, and it's also like dyed like blonde or something like that. So yeah, it's in like it's twisted, you know. You know what I'm saying? I know I gotta wash my hair. Now, bruh, if you trying to get hair like his, bro, like I just said, bro, all you gotta do is grow out your hair for a year. I've been telling y'all this the whole time. If you've been on my channel for a while, then you know this already, you know what I'm saying? So just grow out your hair. It's basically what I'm doing. Just grow out your hair, right? And then, well, grow out your dreads. And it's already, your hair has to be already in dread form for you to do this method. You understand? If it's not already in dread form, grow out your hair, get your hair twisted, get it in dread form, and then once you get it in dread form, grow it out for like a year. Just wait just enough so it can just drop down and basically about to your ear, right? And then don't get your hair retwisted. Like, I'm just like 2 months or 2.5 months on not getting my hair retwisted, except for like these two, like, well, these few in the front of my hair. Like I told y'all, it was retwisted, and then it's 2-strand twist, and then at the same time it's really not even this long. It's really like that long, you understand? It's like that long, you feel me? It's that long, but when you retwist it, it's like shrinkage and stuff like that. So I mean, it's gonna be, you feel me? So yeah, so get your hair on like a year. His hair was like at a year, right? And then he just started to freeform. All you gotta do is when you freeforming your hair, bro, is basically just letting your hair just forming free. Like, you're not doing nothing to it. You're not maintaining it no more. You're not getting it retwisted no more. You just going to sleep, waking up, you know what I'm saying? And some people, when they have dreads, like next time I wash my hair and get my hair retwisted, I'm gonna start going to sleep with like a wrap on my head or something like that, because it's not even all about your hair getting messy. It's about like your pillowcases and stuff like that, and that's getting in your hair and stuff like that, man. I see like a lot. Sometimes I be looking, it be like lint in my hair and stuff like that. I be like, yo, you know what I'm saying? I be like, nah, this gotta go, like, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta wash some of it, and some of this came untwisted just because of the way I sleep, but I mean, it's straight. Like, she gonna do my whole head when she come back, you feel me? So yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all new to this channel, make sure I hit that subscribe button down below. Follow all my social medias, and also it will be in the link in the description. So all you gotta do is go in the description and click the links for my social media. If you have Snapchat, just type in Young2KMal, and then boom, there go my Snapchat right there. Make sure I add me on Snapchat and all the rest of my social medias. I'm trying to follow me on social media, there you go right there. You understand? Y'all new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications to get notified for all my videos. I have a skit coming out for y'all tonight. You know what I'm saying? So if you still watching this video, go look at this skit. It's called like Josh featuring Chief Keef, something like that. But I'm coming up with skits for y'all. You understand? Cause I'm trying to show y'all this ain't just no hair channel. This is a whole entertaining channel. You understand? I may put out like a couple of hair tutorials, this and that and the third, but overall, this is going to be an entertaining channel. Y'all know I've put out playlist videos, this and that videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm just doing what I want to do and what y'all want to see. You understand? So I'm making lit content for y'all, you know, and I'm just coming with it daily. And I know I took like what, a 4-day break. You understand? Cause sometimes you need breaks in life. You know, it's not even about the break. It's all about just maintaining your mental mindset. You know what I'm saying? So I'm improving my life, I'm improving my videos, I'm improving all this type of stuff. So like I say, bro, if y'all new to my channel, make sure to subscribe button, turn on post notifications, follow all my social medias. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.